What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to have quick review of Caseology Parallax case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So the Caseology Parallax case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes in ash grey and matte black finishes. Inside the retail box, you will find the two parts of the Caseology Parallax case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 along with some cleaning wipes, instruction for the installation as well as for the removal, and a set of adhesive strips for the case. So these are the two parts of the Caseology Parallax case for Z Fold 5. This one goes on the back and this goes on the front frame. As you can see, it comes with a bunch of adhesive points on both front and back unit, keep the device stable and fit in the frame. And of course, if you frequently remove your smartphone from the case and the adhesive is dried, then you can use the additional adhesive strips with your Caseology Parallax case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The body of the Caseology Parallax case is made of TPU as well as the polycarbonate to provide a solid protection to your device. So to use the Parallax case with your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, you will have to remove the protective film from the adhesive strips first. I'm going to use it as it is because I'm going to use this device with some other cases as well, so I do not want to keep removing and putting the adhesive strip. So I just want to give you an idea how it works. And here goes the front frame, and we are good to go. So this is how it will look once you put the Caseology Parallax case on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So as you can see that the back panel is totally protected. We got these raised lips around the camera module to protect the camera lenses. There are perfectly placed cutouts for the fingerprint sensor, power button as well as for the antenna lines. The same goes with the top as well. We got the cutouts for the microphone, the speaker grill, and at the bottom we got the slots for USB Type-C port, microphone and speaker grill one more time. The hinge of the device is unprotected. So if you drop your Z Fold 5 with Parallax case on in this way, then there is a probability that your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 hinge will be damaged a bit, but it comes with very nice grip on the side, so there is less probability that you will drop your device from your hand. If we have a look on the back side, it comes with the signature Parallax 3D hexagon design that looks beautiful, gives the premium vibe to the device and provides nice grip while holding the device in hand as well, as it is really 3D textured. It's not just like a print. So when you hold the device in your hand, it provides very solid grip, and as you can see, it looks quite beautiful and premium as well. And with the Caseology Parallax case on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, it is quite easy to open and close the device as well. And removing the case is pretty easy as well. All you have to do is separate the two parts from your device. Because of the adhesive, it's not going to be that smooth as you have seen just now in the video, but it will be pretty easy as well. So now I'm going to use the ash gray color variant of Caseology Parallax case of Z Fold 5 just to give you an idea the difference between the color variant, the matte black and the ash gray. So this is the ash gray color variant of Caseology Parallax case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. And here we go. So this is how the Parallax case in ash gray will look on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So this is all about the Caseology Parallax case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. If you're planning to buy a case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, then this is a nice option for you for sure. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.